And we're back for the after video of this job. It's about 2 o'clock. This really came out nice to the point where if you looked at the first video, you'll see the before shots, but you can see theirs is kind of different color down there, so you could see a nice difference. But this side wasn't so bad compared to, like I said, if you saw my first clip of the before shots, this was really bad. This was really bad coming in through here. So as you see, it's all perfectly white. And I did have a clip of the before shot of the pavers. And then again, before and after. This after shot is a major difference. Major difference. Like I said, if you saw the before video, as I walked along here, you could really see it. It's even shining right here. It's even shiny. That's beautiful. I love it. Came out great. And of course, I hit everything down in here for the pavers. We'll walk over, and then we'll walk over to the other section of the fencing. It was really bad. The fencing took me quite a bit of time. I had to make my own mixture of chemical to make sure that it really took that mold and mildew off. It was on there pretty thick. So here we go. Again, if you saw the before video, you would understand the huge difference of how this came out. It was amazing. Don't be buying new fences, people. Just maintain what you have. Call Orlando Pressure Wash and More at 407-716-1959. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my page, and please make sure you hit the like button. I really appreciate watching. Hopefully we'll have some more videos, some dramatic before and afters just like this one. So stay tuned and make it a great day.